Hello scientific gamers and welcome to level 1-2, levels of organization. Before we get started, I want you to pause the video, write your name, date, and complete your checkpoint. Make sure you pause the video. Pause it now. Great job. Alright, now that you've completed your checkpoint and we did a little review of what we learned yesterday, today we're going to talk about how multicellular organisms go from a cell to an organism. So let's review. A multicellular organism is any organism that has more than one cell. Cells are the basic unit of structure and function of all living things. Cells are microscopic and can be seen only with a microscope. So what I want you to do is pause the video and fill that in your notes. Great job. So what happens when a group of cells work together to complete a job? Well, then you get what's called a tissue. Not like the kind you blow your nose with. The tissues in your body. There are 4 types of tissues in the human body. Go ahead and fill that in your notes now. Pause the video. Great job. All right. So, when a group of tissues work together to perform a job, you get what's called an organ. I know you guys know all about different organs in your body, like the brain and your heart. But did you know there are 78 organs in the human body? That's a lot of tissues and cells working together to create all these organs. When all these organs are working together to complete a job, you get what is called an organ system. And there are 11 organ systems in the human body. Did you know that the respiratory system is the organ system that helps you breathe? Go ahead and pause it and fill it in your notes now. Make sure you're pausing it. Good job. All right. So, what happens when all these 11 organ systems in your body work together? Well, they create you, the organism. All right? So, when cells work together, they're called tissues. When tissues work together, they're called organs. When all those organs are working together, they're called an organ system. And when those organ systems work together, you get you, the organism. All right? So, what I want you to do is fill in your notes. Make sure you pause it. Great job. All right, now that we've done our notes, I want you to write a question about what you learned. If you don't have a question, go ahead and create a quiz question for a teammate. Pause the video and do it now. Great job. All right, now that you're done, it's time to grab your activity from your folder and get started. Make sure you log out of your computer and begin. All right. Great job, scientists. You've completed level 1-2. Get ready.